hope all is well. I'm here with another recipe. Today we are going to make something vegan. It's really special. I'm going to make something that everybody loves. So it's something similar like Spanakopita for Greeks out there. It's almost the same, but I'm making it a little different. Basically, this is my own style of making a vegan samosa. So let's get to it. Ingredients for this recipe are spinach. I got this one from Adonis. If you live in Canada, you can easily find this from Adonis. Ricotta cheese, crumbled feta cheese, puff pastry. You can buy this from your local stores like Adonis. 1 onion, parsley and coriander, salt to taste, crushed garlic, fresh chili peppers, chili flakes. This one is optional. 1 teaspoon cumin, some egg white for the mixture, and finally some egg wash. So we are going to saute the onions first. While the onions are being sauteed, we're going to add the rest of spices and the herbs. Garlic, chili pepper, cumin, salt to taste, and my fresh herbs. Mix them well. Smells already so good. At last, we're going to add the spinach. So we're going to mix everything together. While this is being cooked for 10 minutes, we are going to make our mixture. We got a nice clean bowl here, and we're going to add all the cheeses together. So I'm starting by feta cheese. Feta cheese goes in there. We're going to add the ricotta. Adding the ricotta. So a lot of cheese goes in here, and that's how I like it. I like it cheesy. Now I'm going to add my Parmesan. Depending on you, if you like more Parmesan, you can add as much as you like. Garlic powder is very optional. It's up to you if you like to add it or not. I'm adding about half teaspoon. Not too much because I already added the fresh garlic. Now we're adding our egg white. So now we are mixing all the cheeses and the egg white, the garlic powder. You give it a nice mix, and then we're going to add our spinach, and we're done. So we are going to drain out the spinach. Now we're gently pressing it down to get rid of the excess water. You can smell the freshness in here. So now we have our spinach drained. We're gonna transfer it to our cheese mixture. And we mix. So we're gonna mix this for maybe 2 minutes, and then we're gonna start with the filling. Since I really love it cheesy, I'm just gonna add a little more ricotta. There we go. And we mix. Basically, if you have any leftovers, you can freeze it and use it later on. So we're mixing everything. I have my puff pastry, and what I like about this is it's already pre-cut, and it's super simple to use this one. So we don't have to make the dough from scratch. This is ready to go. So we have our filling here. You can put as much as you like. So we are going to make the samosa shape. You're gonna press it down, close both sides. So once everything is closed, pressed, we're just gonna take a fork and shape it nicely. Voila! It is ready. I told you it's super simple. So for the shape, you can make anything you like. I made two types. I made the square one too. Basically, you use two sheets, and this one takes more filling, which is good, and juicier too. And also, I really like the samosa shape. So for today, I have two shapes. Before baking, we're just gonna egg wash it, and also be sure to preheat your oven at 350, and we're going to bake these for 30 minutes. So basically it's really simple. All you do is just brush all over and we're ready to bake them. They are already egg washed and ready to bake for 30 minutes until they're brown. Be back. Woo! Wow! They are nice and ready. We're gonna plate them. Let's try these out. Yum! It's so nice. It's crispy. You can smell the freshness. So let's just show you guys how it looks from the inside. Woo! It's pretty hot. Wow, you can really smell the freshness from the herbs and the cumin, of course. So I'm just gonna give it a try for you guys. Oh, it's hot.
Want to wait a while?
It's really good, but it's super hot. Just wait a bit, and honestly, I love it. It's really good. I hope you guys all enjoyed this amazing recipe. It's super simple, and if you try to make these, please do tag me on my Instagram at Sahar's Life. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and like my videos as well. Thank you so much. Until next time, bye.